Kodak Black was arrested on drug charges. Dummy after a Trump pardon.
Kodak Black is in serious legal trouble after cops say they found MDMA and tens of thousands of dollars in cash during a Florida bus tied to the rapper. Here's what's going on. According to an arrest affidavit obtained by TMZ, Orlando police officers discovered a pink bag containing MDMA, $37,000 in cash, and documents with Kodak's legal name, Bill Capri, during a November car bus. Investigators also claimed the bag matched one Kodak appeared to show off on Instagram days earlier. Cops say they found a distinct gun-shaped lighter in the bag that Kodak also appeared to flaunt on social media. Officers claim nobody at the scene admitted the bag belonged to them, but Kodak allegedly tried to convince the police to give him the money back. Authorities also say a firearm was found in the backseat of the vehicle, but no one claimed ownership of the gun either. Kodak wasn't arrested at the time, but investigators say lab results later showed that MDMA weighed more than 25 grams, nearly double Florida's trafficking threshold. That led police to request an arrest warrant, and Kodak turned himself in on Wednesday. Kodak's attorney, Bradford Cohen, tells TMZ the trafficking case has a weak legal basis and says the rapper plans to fight the charges in court.
So, that was Kodak Black turning himself in this week, arrested off of those charges containing 56 grams of in a sealed marked can bag and some MDMA,
aka Molly.
Yes, was found on him. An officer said he allegedly found the bag containing his ID money and a bottle of promethazine hydrochloride, according to the report. So Kodak was living that drugged up life. I want to know how you get in trouble again after an official presidential pardon.
What you mean how?
Damn near every MAGA moron that was at the Capitol
Yeah, but
riot.
he's black.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Every last one got a part.
Look at the theme. Look at the theme. You pardon a dumbass.
Yeah.
Dumbass goes back out his way to get dumbass in trouble again. Look at the theme. It's not just a race thing. This is a theme.
Kodak Black voluntarily surrendered himself into police custody last night on an incident related to a run-in with the police in Florida from November of 2025. His attorney says that he was not actually in possession of that stuff and that the charges are not going to stick, and here's their argument for the case. According to his attorneys, when this incident occurred, two police officers approached two cars because they said it smelled like that stuff, and Kodak Black was not in either car, though he was with the individuals who were in the car.
This is my question. A, are you surprised?
No.
No.
That's a super gremlin.
And B, when Ray J look, yeah, exactly. When Ray J, of all people, says that you have a problem, you, my friend,
Not a problem.
you got a problem. If Ray J is telling you that you have a problem, you have a problem.
And
Hey, Ray J, your little ass a bitch, man. You don't need no help. Piss I'm straight. That man way. Fuck on with you, homie. Beat your little ass.
the crazy part about it is, obviously the police is watching your live. You feel what I'm saying? You still had the shit in the same exact bag that you had on your live. They knew exactly every item that you posted on your shit. They had it. You know what I'm saying? So, in other words, YNs, stop putting shit on social media. You can't say
They can't help
you can't
themselves.
say
help
somebody
themselves.
snitching on you when you snitching on your damn. You
They
tell on your
can't-
damn
they
self.
can't help themselves.
That shit dumb as hell. You
It
gonna
is.
record yourself committing a crime and be mad.
They all get pulled over, they all get searched. Now, Kodak's in a different vehicle. He doesn't even get pulled over. Now, his people's got Kodak's book bag is in one of the cars that get searched. And in the book bag, they find like 28 grams of Tusi, another like ounce or two of weed. They find some cocaine. They find Kodak Black's jail ID, pretty ironic. His jail ID's in his book bag. They find a lighter gun that Kodak has pictures of wearing that, using that lighter gun. It's a pretty famous lighter that he uses. That book bag, Kodak has pictures with that book bag. There's rolling trays in that book bag that Kodak has pictures from like that day.
Can't help themselves.
It's stupid.
They can't help themselves.
They can help
They
themselves.
can't.
They can't help
have
themselves.
have some damn discipline.
So if you
There's
thought-
other ways you
if
can get go
thought-
viral.
If you thought they could help themselves,
We would not be having a
we
lot of
would
these
not be having
conversations.
this conversation.
A lot of them.
We have this conversation all the time because they can't help themselves.
addiction.
Remember what we said the other week. It's about the you gotta see me life.
Yeah, it's addiction.
This is the you gotta see me life, and you gotta see me what I'm with, and what comes along with you gotta see me is the police are seeing you. But no, they can't help it. As much as you say stop it, they can't help it. They're addicted to this.
So what's going to happen? Do you think he's going to beat these charges?
Yeah, he's gonna beat it.
How's he going to beat it?
Well, one, the lawyer gonna find some damn legal loophole. He's like, based off how he was talking, he was like, any drug dealer that comes to see him, I don't give a damn. The damn police caught you with that shit. That mother find a way to find a loophole, get your ass up out of it.
But this is different because, like he said, Trump already pardoned you.
I got you,
and
but
now they're probably out to make
an
example.
They're making.
I understand,
now.
but the thing that you got to keep in mind, what he has at his disposal, got money. And anytime you got money, you in the streets, either you doing crime or committing crime in some type of way, the lawyer's gonna stick to your ass because they know you gonna kick that bread when you in trouble.
And allegedly, they have like the fingerprints, the cash, the documents, the social media matches, and that vehicle association that we were talking about, and then also that MDMA quantity threshold. And I feel like this is gonna create like that circumstantial narrative that they can present to jurors, right? The defense's angle probably is gonna be like, well, Kodak Black was not allegedly holding the drugs and he was not allegedly inside the vehicle during the search. And fingerprints on an item doesn't necessarily prove trafficking, right? And then you have a celebrity status that could possibly be biasing the investigation. And that can create reasonable doubt if the prosecution cannot directly place the narcotics under his exclusive control.
I've seen a lot of with money go to prison.
I'm about to say, and Diddy still locked. And did you say Diddy wasn't going to jail? And I swear this still locked up.
Because the difference between him and Kodak, of course, they try to get him for human trafficking. So that's major. You feel with Kodak going through, that's him personally. They try to make an example. They know that used, bro. If we just said, Ray J said, bro, you got a problem. Everybody know he uses. It's a difference.
The thing I'm saying is you always be like, he got money. Money don't really stop
yes, it
you
does,
from going
bro.
to prison.
It slows stuff down.
I'm telling you, bro,
but it doesn't stop anything.
For something, you got bread, you got clout. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, lawyers gonna stick to you like glue. When you on the downslide of your shit, and they see that you ain't got no money or nothing like that, they can't get off of you. Yeah, your ass gonna get sent up the river. That's how the game goes, bro.
You don't think this might be the sign that he's about to get sent up the river?
Yeah, he might be there with.
Not necessarily, because you know why? Because again, the thing about it is, it's well documented that he is addicted to drugs. It's well documented. So if he got a damn lawyer that he's paying $500 to $1,000, they're gonna find a way. They're gonna talk to the prosecutor.
That seems like even more reason to lock you up because you haven't.
About to go to a treatment center.
You haven't like
lock up. Going to prison and going to a treatment center is two different things.
Right now, you becoming one of those people, bro. You in your own way, bro. How people look at young boy, bro? Yeah, they look at you the same way. You one of the goats of our generation, bro. I swear to God, bro. The day you really put the drugs down and lock back in, bro, the world will be a better place, gang. You know what I'm saying? Like, it literally will, bro. There's so many people that just want to see you eat and see you win and see you stay out of trouble, bro. But you can't get out of your own way. And it get to a point, bro, like, yeah, you've literally, bro, been blessed so fucking bad to the point where, bro, you probably should still be in jail, bro. You literally got pardoned by the president, bro. That's the reason you even out right now able to do certain things, bro. Y'all remember they cracked Kodak, bro? You're not even supposed to be here right now. You've been so blessed that you got pardoned by the president.
Now, this is what I can see possibly happen. This go to rehab. His part of his probation, he gonna have to go to rehab.
No,
I would not be surprised. That's just my opinion.